Is your Google Pixel screen suddenly switching from 120Hz to 60Hz? Are your scrolls feeling slow or laggy? This often happens because of adaptive refresh rate settings or battery limits. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. Enable Smooth Display. Open Settings on your phone, then go to Display and Touch. Next, scroll to the bottom and turn on Smooth Display. This allows your Pixel to use higher refresh rates when needed. Solution 2. Disable Battery Saver Mode. Battery Saver limits the refresh rate to save power. Open Settings on the device, scroll down, and tap Battery. Then tap Battery Saver. If it turns on, then turn Battery Saver off. High refresh rate does not work properly with Battery Saver enabled. Solution 3. Check Adaptive Brightness. Low brightness can force the display to drop refresh rate. Open Settings on your phone, then tap Display and Touch. Now turn Adaptive Brightness off and manually set brightness above 30%. This helps maintain higher refresh rates. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more Pixel tips. Drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.